How to delete repost on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to delete repost on TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch TikTok. Make sure that you sign into your account. And here you got different videos on your For You page. So suppose if this is the video that I want to repost, you can simply tap on the share icon next to the video. Locate it at bottom right corner of your screen. Here you have the repost icon, select repost, and your video has successfully been reposted. If you wish to delete the repost, you can navigate to the share icon again and then tap on remove repost. With this, you have deleted repost on TikTok. Moreover, you can head to the profile icon at bottom right. Then tap on the repost icon and here are all the videos that you have reposted. To delete, you can tap on particular video, tap on the share button and then tap on remove repost. So that is how we can successfully delete repost on TikTok. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.